Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my Coaching Academy and welcome to online class with me, your online tutor. I am super excited to have you. Our today's lessons is how often do you darasin mu na yau shine yadda ake amfani da how often do you wurin yin tambaya. When asking these questions, you are inquiring how often or how frequent someone does a particular thing. Idan aka yi amfani da how often do you ana tambayar sau nawa wani ya yi wani abu. Example, how often do you change your password? So nawa kake canja lambobin sirrinka? How often do you listen to your MP3 player? So nawa kake sauraron MP3 player ɗinka? How often do you talk to your parents? So nawa kake magana da iyayenka? How often do you exercise? Sau nawa kake motsa jiki? Idan aka yi amfani da how often do you wato ana tambayar sau nawa aka yi wani abu. A ƙarasa wannan comment section. This is today's lesson. Thank you, Mass Coaching Academy.